If you don't know how your investment works, you shouldn't be in it. That's not fear mongering, that's reality. I'm Addy Saeed, and welcome to Smart Real Estate with Westcliff. I'm joined by my co host, Kaz Jaffer.
Today, we're kicking off Series 10, Trust and Security in Your Investments. Because the number one reason investors get burned isn't the market, it's a lack of transparency. Hidden clauses, missing numbers, promises without proof.
Transparency is the difference between confidence and confusion, between great returns and painful regrets. Today, we're showing you how to evaluate, demand it, and benefit from it. Smarties, we built this series for one thing: trust. Not hype, not theory, trust. Trust is the information you receive. Trust is the process you follow. Trust in the people you invest with.
When you're wiring $50,000, $100,000, or even more into a deal, you deserve clarity, not guesswork. And in this episode, we're breaking down what transparency actually looks like, how to spot when it's missing, and of course, how we embed transparency into every deal we review. In today's real estate environment, everything moves fast. New projects, new regulations, new financing structures. But you know what hasn't changed? The number of deals being pushed with unclear assumptions, missing documentation, unrealistic projections.
We've reviewed hundreds of deals for clients across Ontario, and the red flags usually start with what's not included in the paperwork. Rent rolls with no actual lease details, expenses rounded up to the nearest thousand, construction budgets with no contract quotes, exit strategies that rely on future market growth.
Transparency isn't about looking polished. It's about being open. And too many offerings focus on the sizzle, not the substance.
Let's paint a clear picture. Transparent investing includes full documentation. So leases, appraisals, environmental reports, third-party analysis. You have clear assumptions, which means your rent projections, vacancy rates, financing term, operational risk are all laid out. And defined responsibilities. Who manages what? Who signs what? Who answers for what?
A client we reviewed recently had a full sensitivity analysis. It showed how returns changed if rents dropped 5%, if interest rates increased, or if construction went over budget. That level of clarity is rare, but that's what true transparency looks like.
And none of this is about perfection. It's about giving investors a full picture so they can make informed calls, not emotional ones.
Not consequences, because lack of transparency has real costs.
We've met investors stuck in deals where sponsors refuse to provide details or even updates. We've seen offering documents missing basic details like mortgage terms or capital expenditure plans. We've also seen investors blindsided by undisclosed tenant issues like legal suits or upcoming LTV hearings.
And those investors weren't foolish, they were just misinformed. The information they needed existed, they were just never shown it.
Transparency protects you, silence doesn't.
We've made transparency the backbone of how we operate. Every deal we review for our clients follows a structured framework which includes standardized underwriting, independent verification where possible, fully disclosed assumptions, and straightforward investor communications.
And when something changes, we say it. Whether it's financing terms shifting, construction delays, tenant turnover, our investors hear it early and they hear it clearly.
It's not just about doing deals. It's about building relationships through honesty, clarity, and consistency.
Let's end with some actionable items. If you're evaluating any real estate deal, ask for the actual rent roll, not just a pro forma. The full expenditure history, not just a 50% operating cost assumption. A sensitivity analysis so you can see the upside and the downside. Clear reporting timelines after the investment is made.
If a sponsor can't or won't provide that information, that's not a deal. It's a gamble.
Transparency isn't a luxury. It's your first layer of risk management. If you want help reviewing deals, or if you're ready to invest with a team that prioritizes transparency at every step, book a strategy session at cal.westcliffam.com.
Join our Westcliff Investors Network at win.westcliffam.com. Get access to deal reviews, educational resources, and insights that will help you invest with confidence.
At Westcliff, we help you learn, invest, and manage with confidence. And that starts with the full transparency, always.
In the next episode, we dive into the structures and safeguards to secure your investment capital and give you peace of mind.
This podcast is for informational entertainment purposes only. Nothing discussed constitutes financial or legal advice. Always consult with a licensed professional before making any investment decisions.